Welcome back! Okay, I wish I could just scream out because, hey, I have missed you. I have missed you like crazy. Miss sitting in front of the camera. Anyway, Happy New Year. Happy 2019. This year is going to be bomb and amazing for us. So this video is something which is requested by everybody on the internet कि मुंबई में चांदनी चौक जितने सस्ते लहंगे क्यों नहीं मिलते. And if I told you I have found a mini Chandni Chowk for you guys, how good is that? I mean, such may I have found one. You're going to be finding bridal lehengas worth 30-40k in just 7.5 to 6.5. Actually ranges 4k to 7.5k. You heard me right. This place was recommended by one of my blogger friends. A big shout out to Snehalata for this. Thank you so much for telling me about this. I could have never imagined ऐसा कुछ नवी मुंबई में. To get out at Nerul West Station and you have to take a rickshaw. Just type the Gaudevi Mandir on Google and start the map. It is just a 5-minute distance from rickshaw. As soon as you see this entrance, just get down your rickshaw. Chalo, chalte hai guys. The reason why I call this the Chandni Chowk of Mumbai is because the bridal lehengas here are from the range 4,000 to 7,000 only. You heard me right, guys. These pastel shade lehengas are for bridesmaid and are priced for rupees 2,500 only. These bridal lehengas are for 4,000 only. The mint green is priced for 2.5. This particular one is for 1.5. Unbelievable. This grey one is for 2.5. You even get proper blouse as well as astar along with all the lehengas. Again reminding you, the bridal lehengas are from 4k to 7.5k. If you're looking for velvet lehengas, you have that option as well. The most important thing that you have to remember is these guys sit only on Sundays from 4:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. This color graded lehenga is for 2k. I love this particular piece and this was priced for 3.5k. I don't have a wedding to attend, nahi to pakka le leti. So there are 2 lanes where these lehenga stalls are placed, the third as well as the fourth lane. This is the actual red lehenga for bridal wear. Actually, this is too much bright red. I would not opt for it, but if you're looking for one, you definitely have this option here. Coming to the sari section, they have a decent collection of saris for marriage purpose. The range of these are from 500 to 2.5k. This one piece is priced for rupees 2,500. If you're looking for saris for the haldi function, these can work well and this is priced for 500 only.
Coming up next is cut pieces, which start from rupees 40 and ranges up to 250 only. They have brocade, net pieces and a lot of different cut pieces. You can use the net fabrics for your lehengas and even dupattas. The next, of course, has to be the blouse department. All these ones are priced for rupees 400. This uncle sits at the last lane and the last counter of this entire place. The mirror work crop tops, I really love them. These are priced for 400. There are heaps of blouses here. These blouses are priced for 150 only. This one man is selling purses. I love the red one especially. This was priced for 250, but bargain karke you can get it for 150. This place has accommodated laces as well as patchwork. Basic requirement of laces can be found here. This one uncle sells simple dupattas. I would definitely recommend this place for jewelry. These have the best chokers, armlets as well as mangtikas. Now all these sets are priced from 100 to 250 only. These necklaces and chokers are priced for 150 only. This is actually unbelievable. You can get bangles and rings as well. If you're looking for footwear, this place does not serve you with the best footwear. If at all you're looking for hair accessories, this one man sits with a decent collection of hair accessories.
To know, because there are many people who I talk to on Instagram and I feel like, हाँ भाई, I'm creating a family and I'm helping people. So that makes me motivated कि हाँ करना है for everybody. So please do follow me on Instagram, link description box में है. Look at how happy I am being back on YouTube. Yeah, next week. I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.